Hey guys, the summer overlanding season is finally in full swing, and there's a few little accessories that I need to pick up for my Jeep. So I turned to my friends at LEXIVON to pick up one of their 10-inch camping hatchets, the LEXIVON V10. Featuring a forged grade A carbon steel heat-treated blade, this hatchet has hardened cutting edges for a deeper and cleaner cut. It comes packaged securely with included edge guard. The axe blade is fully encased and molded into the fiberglass handle for added strength. The edge guard clips right onto the blade for added safety while in storage. Overall, this is a super nice, compact hatchet, which leaves me with just one question to answer. Where am I going to mount it? After a little positioning, I think I like this spot best. Grab yours in the link below, and as always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.